Okay, let's add the remaining plugins that we don't have installed in alphabetical order. So add new, and the first one is going to be Comment Love. Search, install, and activate it. Next, Contact Form 7, search, install, activate it. Next, add new. This is the Google privacy policy. Install it, activate it, add new, and this is a video sitemap. Google XML sitemap for videos. Install now. Activate it. Add new. And next is TinyMCE Advanced, and make sure that Tiny and MCE is all one word. Search. Install. Activate it. 2 or maybe 3 more, but we need to talk about them first. Actually, there are 3 more. There's a Bulletproof Security, which is a free plugin. Necessity. There's a Fidget Widget, which is a free plugin. It's not a necessity, and I'll show it to you. And there's the SEO Pressor, which is not a free plugin, not a necessity, and we'll talk about that. Alright, the first one we're going to talk about here is the Fidget Widget. Let's go to my personal website and I'll show you what it is and why I use it. Okay, over here on the right in the sidebar, I scroll down, and lo and behold, this is the Fidget Widget. Now, I don't have it on all my sites, and the reason I use it is to track my statistics. This tells me where my visitors come from, sometimes where they go to when they leave the site. For instance, this person came from the Warrior Forum, and they're from Vancouver. This one from France, and it was a direct, probably maybe an email link, I'm not sure. And let's scroll down. YouTube, from Romania. ismmagic.com, and we're going to talk about all of these places. Google, from the Netherlands. And I see someone from the UK really liked my website yesterday. Anyway, let's go back and install this widget. Again, we add new and type in Fidget, search, install it. Now let's activate it. Okay, let's talk briefly about SEO Pressor. I want to take you inside of a post on my personal website here. If we scroll down below this post, we can enter our main keyword right here. What SEO Pressor does is it adds this box up here. It tells you your overall score, your keyword density, and so on. Now on a regular post, without it, there is no box up here, and there's no place for you to enter your main keyword. What this does is basically it gives you an advantage over other websites. And that is all it does. It's not something that you have to have, because I do training on how to organize your blog post. And that's all this does really, is teaches you how to organize your blog post. Now let's install it. Add new. By the way, it's $47 for one website, $97 for unlimited websites. Let's upload it. Let's browse. Open it. Install now. And let's activate it. Okay, now we've got one more to talk about. Alright, this time it's the most, or at least one of the most important plugins that we can actually have on our website. And this one is called the Bulletproof Security plugin, and it does what it sounds like. It protects our website from hackers, and these are mostly the people that sell Viagra and illegitimate vitamins, let's say, on our websites without our permission. So let's activate it, and you can see all of the warnings that it's giving us up here. We'll have this fixed up in a jiffy. Let's set this up. All we need to do is scroll down. Now we have two radio buttons right here that we need to pay attention to. And below that we have 1, 2, 3, and one below that, 4. So what we need to do is create default htaccess file. Scroll back down, create secure htaccess file. Down again, the top radio button, let's bulletproof this website. Down again, this is the second radio button down, bulletproof it. Third button down, activate the bulletproof mode. And how you tell if you're all set up or not is you check your security status, and if this is all green, you're good to go, and it's telling us that we need to back it up. So what we do now is go to backup and restore, and here there are 3 buttons that we need to pay attention to. There's a top one, middle one, bottom one. Let's back up the top one. And this is the bottom one here. For now we skip this one. We back up the bottom one. Back up your master files. Now if we go back to our security status, everything's green. We're all good to go. And that, in a nutshell, let's take us back to the dashboard, is all of the plugins installed. Let's get rid of this right now. This is actually Jeff advertising to us. And let's go to traffic getting. We go to advanced. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. We toggle the dashboard widget off. Submit. Now we go back to our dashboard. And the ads are all gone. And this is a site that you're going to get used to seeing in the future. We do a lot of work when we log into our dashboard right from here. Okay, that's it for now. We need to set up these plugins, but we'll do that as we need to. As we come to them, we'll set them up then. This website is all ready to go. And what we're going to do now is start to set up these plugins.